Who suggested we go for a beer?
Who?
Joe.
But he
Guess what he ordered.
scope.
I
know.
Okay guys, we are now as far down as Surat Thani. We've done about 5.5 hours driving today. We've done around 400 kilometers. The roads have been pretty cool. And we're in another hotel. I just wanted to show you this very quickly because it's not a hotel review kind of thing. We have paid for this hotel just £17 per night, the same as last night. Now, what do we get for that in Surat Thani? Well, let me show you. Okay, I'm right at the door, as you might see. But turn around here. Here's a little bathroom. This is how it's being presented to us. It's a spa hotel. I'll give you some details at the bottom. I'll put there. As you can see, I have bumps on there already, but you get a little fridge here. I don't know if it's on or not. Yes, I guess it doesn't feel particularly cold. Not a problem. Here's the bed, double bed. It feels quite comfortable, to be honest with you. I've got a little hand on it there. Oh yeah, that's much better. Last night was like a brick, but this one, little view into a garden. And there it is, the room. £17. The only downside at the moment is it's got mega mosquitoes in here. So we're going to see if they can come and spray it. So that's it, 17 quid. Here we are. Here we go. Ooh. How amazing. This is right next to the hotel. That's a proper... So this is closed. This is completely closed. What a shame, eh? What a very cool place. It's completely closed. It's all made up. It's all made up. It's not like... It's not abandoned. It's just closed. Hey, this would be fantastic, eh? Sit out and have a coffee in the morning. Oh, look. There's Lotus. Absolutely amazing. Look at that. How very, very cool. An actual rice field in the center of a hotel. Here in Surat Thani. Good morning. We are now the next day in Surat Thani, and we have stayed at a local hotel. 100, what's it called? 100 Islands. Is it? 100 Islands Hotel, whatever it is. Really nice, really nice. £17 per night, including breakfast. Just unbelievable. Tell you what, the more you come into southern Thailand, you see the prices drop considerably. And I'm not talking about Phuket and the expensive places. These are just real Thailand. So today we are ferrying up to Koh Samui. Never been there. I'm expecting it'll be very touristy, but it's a place I've never been, so we're going to go up there for a couple of nights, have a look around there, and show you a bit about what that's all about. This is a really nice way to travel. Have no plan, because we haven't. We've made everything up every day as we've gone along, decided where we're going. We booked literally on the day a couple of hours before wherever we're staying, and very clean. So yeah, this is the 100 Islands that we stayed at. Hundred Islands Hotel. This is a okay, there we go. This is the place. Look at that. Very. And so see the entrance there. Pretty grand. Massive reception there. So there you go. This little area here. And if you go around here, they've got a little waterfall inside the reception area. Look at these chill out zones here, you can see them. And then right here there's a little waterfall.
Street art.
Oh, street art. Oh, okay, yeah, let's have a look. Oh, right, nice, okay. Look at that. Bit of interesting street art. I see messy street art. Street art. No, I'm saying street art. No idea. Old. It's a little. Yeah, it's pretty cool. This place. It's tiny. It's just slightly unusual from what we've seen before. Over here, there's a little bit more. I think I got a shot from afar, but it's a little bit more art here. Let's see over there. And the old post box and bicycle. That's pretty cool. That's it. The Matrix. Okay, fair enough, you get it. Wow.
สวัสดีค่ะ Oh, they have that.
This is very cool.
Wow. I look like this. Oh. There's order. You want to sit on the bar?
No, we can sit chat, just say let's grab a drink.
Okay.
How much is this thing? How much? How much? Tara, yeah, Tara.
Hmm?
140, one singer, big one.
Okay.
140.
I want to go pool up there. Pool.
Okay.
Or pool table.
Well, greetings to the time machine. We thought it's actually really nice. Nice to show you around. Great looking place, isn't it? Do you know it's quite funny?
Huh?
Who suggested we go for a beer?
Who?
Joe.
But he
Guess what he ordered?
scope.
Right, a little bit of night market on the way to. We're going to go get our laundry. Exciting lives we live, right? Here we go. This is the night market.
Huge, 20 baht.
I'll look at you and say 나를 봐봐 in my craze 조금 더 망설이지 마 Alright I don't want a best friend 너도 나와 같은 맘이야 Waiting to get there 나를 보며 웃어줘 때론 그리움이 우릴 서로 졌겠지만 사랑한 그것만 그만 Keep it up, keep 어떤 말로 표현할 수 있을까 어떤 마음으로 널 전할 수 있을까 멀리 가진 않겠지만 우린 더 볼 수 있겠지만 사랑한 수많은 계절만큼만
So, ladies and gentlemen, that is another night market here in Thailand. They are all fairly similar. Oh, sorry, I'm just looking to see where Snow is. I don't know where she's gone. I walked ahead and now we have lost them. Okay, I'll just make my way back to the car. So yeah, there you go, another Surat Thani night market. Within next car. We did our e-booking and we have now got to go here, show them this. They scan it, give us our tickets, and then we drive on to the ferry, which is a kilometre away, according to that. Sweaty cup? Thank you.
ไปทางไหนคะ
เดี๋ยว
Straight.
ลงไปเลยค่ะ ประมาณ 1 กิโลเมตรนะคะ
โอเค ขอบคุณค่ะ
Alright.
Maybe we walk out, just park. Yeah.
Okay, I'll record you then. There she is, prepping. Preparation, Polly.
Open the door, please.
You can open it, try.
I don't want because automatic. I don't want they broke. Okay.
There she goes. Find out what time we board. I think probably 15 minutes before, I guess. Who knows? Anyway, catch you on the ferry. Joe probably doesn't know where we are. What's that? See, the sea colour is different as well. It's much bluer here, or green or whatever, but yeah, it's cool. Heading back to the car now. I see the people on this side seem to be going on first. I don't know how it all works, but we need to get back to the car. That's the plan. Liters, taters.